Hey everyone, and welcome back to another trading video from Indicator Vault. Today we'll be exploring the captivating realm of smart money concepts and how they can enhance your trading prowess. We'll also delve into two remarkable trading view indicators that can significantly boost your profitability. Smart money traders use an array of sophisticated strategies and indicators that provide them with a competitive edge in the market, meaning they are able to identify high probability trade entries and make more informed decisions. In this video, we'll unravel these insightful smart money strategies and indicators that are certainly worth a closer look. But before we begin, I encourage you to show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to our channel, and also turn on the bell so you stay up to date with our future videos. Our first strategy is based around order blocks, and to be more specific, propulsion blocks. Firstly, order blocks are key levels where the market has previously shown interest and can potentially show interest again in the future. Additionally, a propulsion block is created by price returning to an order block. Let's take a look at an example. On the chart, we have the Euro USD on the 30-minute time frame. Our Propulsion Edge has identified a buy opportunity after price revisits the order block it identified. How it works is the indicator starts by detecting order blocks. Next, when price revisits an order block, the indicator evaluates the moment of price within that order block to determine whether a propulsion block exists. This means propulsion blocks help determine reversals precisely because they combine both smart money concepts and price action to give you a confirmation. After this confirmation from our indicator, you will notice that the market is respecting the demand zone. One of the best ways to identify demand zones is simply using our supply-demand pro indicator as confirmation. Now that we have all of these confluences in place, we can enter our buy trade with the stop loss below the recent swing and aim for a minimum of 1.5 risk to reward. For this specific example, I will set my stop loss at 22 pips and below the swing and aim for a take target of 35 pips. Let's delve into another example. On the chart, we have Nvidia on the hourly time frame. You will see from the chart that our indicator is constantly looking for order blocks that might become propulsion blocks. However, only those that have the additional confirmation are marked with the arrows. I can enter my buy trade with the stop loss below the recent swing and aim for a minimum of 1.5 risk to reward. Alternatively, you can aim for the next level of market structure. For this trade, I will set my stop loss at 4.50 and my take profit at 7.25. By using this advanced smart money indicator, you are able to enter another profitable trade. Our next smart money strategy and indicator is based on smart liquidity voids. Let's take a closer look at an example. For this example, I'm on the AUD/USD on the 15-minute time frame. Liquidity voids arise when price experiences a sudden and significant shift leading to an abrupt transition between different price levels. These voids are often identifiable as large, long, elongated candlesticks on the chart, which are commonly referred to as market imbalances. Market imbalances can stem from a variety of events and factors, such as economic events, central bank policies, or geopolitical developments. It is important for traders to stay vigilant and monitor the market for signs of these imbalances because they can provide us with profitable trading opportunities. The underlying principle behind liquidity voids is that these gaps in liquidity tend to be eventually filled, regardless of whether it takes minutes, hours, weeks, or even months. In essence, when the market experiences an imbalance, it tends to revisit the price level associated with that specific imbalance. Now let's explore the liquidity void indicator and understand how to effectively trade these imbalances in the market. Once you have attached the smart liquidity void indicator to your chart, it will automatically identify and also illustrate these market imbalances or liquidity voids. The liquidity void is triggered when a candle body significantly exceeds the length of the preceding candles, indicated as an abnormal market movement like this one. Price is again visiting this zone and providing us with another sell opportunity. You can enter your sell trade on the close of the bearish candle away from the propulsion block. For this example, I will set my stop loss above the recent swing and aim for a minimum of 1.5 risk to reward. More specifically for this example, I will set my stop loss at 13 pips and my take profit at 20. Let's quickly analyze the price action after our entry. You will notice that the zone was visited again and then the prevailing downtrend continued. Additionally, if you have our supply demand pro indicator, you can use it to set your take profit and also make even bigger and more wins. Let's take a look at another example. On the chart, we have gold on the 30-minute time frame. We can observe from the price action that we are currently in a downtrend, forming lower lows and lower highs. You need to wait for the smart liquidity void to confirm your buy entry with the blue rectangular. You will notice that the indicator is constantly identifying order blocks. However, we need to wait for the confirmation from the signal and the close of the candle. After the close of the candle, we can enter our buy trade with the stop loss below the recent swing and aim for a minimum of 1.5 risk to reward. Now that we have looked at examples of using these indicators separately, what if we combine the power of the propulsion blocks and liquidity voids with our supply demand pro indicator? You have already seen me using the indicator to identify some zones. However, before we move on, I'm going to quickly make a few adjustments to the indicator. After you've attached the supply demand pro indicator to your chart, head over to the settings tab and we'll make the following adjustments. Under the settings, we are only going to select the tested zones and focus on these levels for our analysis. I'm also going to unselect the take profit and stop loss levels for this examples. On the chart, I have selected the pound against the US dollar on the 15-minute time frame. The indicator and strategy can be used on any time frame available, so feel free to test it for yourself against the instrument that you like to trade. You will notice that our Propulsion Edge has identified a potential reversal. Once this has been detected, we need to take a closer look at the zones identified by the supply demand pro and of course the candlestick patterns. Remember to wait for the candle to close to confirm the signal. After the close of the candle, you'll see a rejection away from a supply zone. This means you can enter with confidence your sell trade with the stop loss above the recent swing and aim for a minimum of 1.5 risk to reward. By following these simple steps, you are able to identify high probability trades in the fast-paced market. Let's take a look at another trading example. On the chart, we have the Euro GBP, or the Euro against the pound on the hourly time frame. You will notice that the pair has made a double top with a sell opportunity away from the supply zone. Next, we see that our smart liquidity void indicator has identified a potential buy opportunity, and because of this fact that we've previously been in an uptrend, that we can assume that price is going to break out of the supply load and continue its move upwards. You can enter your buy trade at the close of the bullish engulfing candle with your stop loss below the recent swing and aim for a minimum of 1.5 risk to reward. By combining these key zones into our analysis, we have further increased the accuracy of these amazing indicators. So you have already seen me use this strategy on a bunch of different instruments. But what about cryptocurrencies? Let's take a look at another example. On the chart, we have Bitcoin on the 5-minute time frame. From the chart, we can see that the supply demand pro has identified a fantastic buy trade. And now the smart liquidity void confirms the uptrend. After the second confirmation, we can enter our buy trade, setting our stop loss below the recent swing, and again aim for a minimum of 1.5 risk to reward. Again, the combination of indicators has provided us with another fantastic entry. So there you have it, folks, the top 2 smart money concepts indicator and how you can successfully use them in your strategy and take your trading game to the next level. If you haven't already done so, I highly encourage you to visit our website and explore the remarkable benefits of exclusive TV Champ membership. With this membership, you can gain access to our comprehensive collection of custom indicators for TradingView, as well as any future indicators we'll release. If you're eager to delve into the world of our next generation indicators and learn more, I invite you to check out our YouTube channel. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with the latest updates on some of the most advanced indicators available for TradingView. I sincerely hope that you found this information informative and valuable. Until next time, happy trading. Bye.